Here, as you see, we have the different kind of amenities that we have. We have the toothbrush, we have the soap, we have the razor, we have conditioner, we have shower gel, we have shampoo, we have sewing kit, we have toilet paper, door sign, cotton buds, a sewing kit, toothpaste, and the soap. We have also here the different types of towels. We have the bath towel, bath mat, hand towel, and face towel. We have the doormats, cleaning rags, dustpan, and broom. And we have here the carry caddy with the different chemicals, no? And here, we also have the garbage bag for the different garbage, for paper, for plastic, for aluminum, for glasses, and the food waste. And here beside is the linen bag or laundry bag. So you need to place here the soiled linen or dirty linen. Okay, at this point, I will demonstrate to you how to rearrange this trolley or room attendant cart. So first, we need to rearrange. So first, you need to put this door sign here. The razor, okay, toothbrush. So toothbrush, you need to arrange it properly according to the sizes, no? According to the sizes of the toothbrush. Make sure it is being arranged properly, no? So make sure that it's presentable for our guest, okay? Then followed with the shampoo. Get the shampoo first. Shampoo. So, conditioner. Conditioner. Then followed with the shower gel. Make sure all the logos should be facing towards you. No? So, make sure all the PSU label should be facing to you. So it's very easy to identify the supplies that you have. Okay? Arrange everything. So we have extra shampoo here. Okay? Extra shampoo, extra lotion, and conditioner. Okay? Make sure you have always an extra, no? Here, another extra shampoo, another moisturizing for our face, for the guest face, not for you, but for the guest. Okay, toothpaste, extra toothpaste. Okay, then the soap. We have soap. We have the soap from our university and the sewing kit. Okay. We also have extra sewing kit. With the sewing kit, we have inside here, we have the scissor, we have the needle, we have what we call the thread and everything. So you just place it here. Okay. Then here at the bottom part, so we have already folded towels here, but towels, so we need to rearrange. We already folded that one. So what you're going to do, make sure you have to arrange it properly. No? Okay. As well as your hand towel, also your bath mat. So arrange your bath mat correctly. And then as well as your face towel. Make sure that is properly arranged from top until the bottom. So you need to place this one here. We have the soap dish. We have also here the sleeper and then extra bath mat. And if you have extra linen like for flat sheet of single, if the bed is single or king size or queen size, you need to place here as well. As well as the extra duvet filler if you have. But if your trolley is like this is too small, it's better to get, once the duvet filler is dirty, you have to get it, or blanket, you have to get it from your locker. Okay? So, then we don't have enough space. This carry caddy should be on top of your trolley, but we don't have the space, so we need to leave it here. Actually, leave it here. consider that your trolley is bigger. Then after that, make sure you need to check the toilet paper as well. You need to rearrange properly. So like this side, so if the toilet paper is no wrapper, so what you're going to do, you need to make a nice arrangement. So you need to fold it into half and then get inside. Okay. Then put it on top of your trolley. Okay, so that's our trolley setup.